Hello. So the temperature dropped outside, and what did I feel like? I got a hankering for sweet potato pie. But I'll be honest, I was too lazy to make crust and go to the store to pick up some crust. So I decided for me, the best part of a sweet potato pie is the filling. So, of course, now we have the crustless sweet potato pie. It is very simple. Normally, I roast or bake my sweet potatoes, but in this case, I boiled the sweet potatoes. Below in the description, I'll put the recipe. It's really simple. You can use this same recipe for pumpkin pie. You can also do a carrot souffle with it. So pretty much almost the same recipe, other than with the carrot souffle, you need a little flour. I like my pies on the spicy side, but of course, it's up to you how you season or flavor your pie. In this recipe, I added white sugar, brown sugar. You can use dark or light. And I also added real vanilla extract. If you have the imitation, please throw it away. I'm judging, yes I am. Also, I add a squeeze of a half of a lemon. You don't have to use that much. If you don't want it really citrusy, you can probably use, let's say about not a tablespoon, but a teaspoon. And because I will tell you that I made a little boo-boo with this recipe. Normally, I roast or bake my sweet potatoes, but in this case, I actually boiled them and I did not drain it properly. So I actually had to leave it in the oven a little longer than was necessary, but it still came out great. Your sweet potato concoction or batter, whatever they call it, it should be thicker than what you see. I actually also mashed the sweet potatoes. Normally, I just stick it in a mixer, but because I boiled the potatoes, it wasn't really stringy at all. Normally, when I put it in the mixer, it does a great job of pulling out all those fibers that's in the sweet potatoes. So that's up to you how you want to do it. But if you boil your potatoes, please make sure to drain it properly. A lesson learned. And as you can see, it came out beautifully. The edges were caramelized. And suffice it to say, it didn't last 24 hours. But don't be afraid. If you don't have all the ingredients, if you have sweet potatoes and eggs, you can make a beautiful sweet potato pie your way.